First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer notes on iPhone to compute, run the software on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone and scan data on it. Click Notes. Unlock your iPhone to let the software scan notes on your iPhone. After that, all the notes on your iPhone will be displayed in the interface. Tick off the notes you want to transfer, click Export, choose the note format, select a location on your computer to save, then click OK to start.